failed every single audition I ever went to. Lahat, sunod-sunod yon. Bagsak, hindi papasa, hindi papasa, hindi makakapasok, hindi makakapasok. The cycle went on for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 years old ako eh. 17 years old ako, akala ko magiging big break ko pa nun sa singing. Ang naging big break ko pa, I love you, Piolo! Sabi ko, paano ba to? Singer ang gusto ko. Bakit naging I love you, Piolo yung naging big break ko? So basta it was 10 years of an ongoing cycle of I always go home rejected. Sa 10 audition na inattendan ko, 11 ang binagsak ko.